Welcome. In front of me is a ARCHOS Oxygen 57, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off once it appears right here. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we'll then hold power key and volume up. So right about now, power key, volume up, hold both of those keys at the same time. Now if you don't see the device turn on in like 3 to 5 seconds, let go of the power key and start holding it again. And the moment you see the ARCHOS logo, you can let go. So right now, but keep holding volume up. Okay, so now we're in recovery mode, and from here you will be able to use volume keys to navigate like so. So volume down to go down and volume up to go up. And with that in mind, let's select wipe cache partition and confirm it with power key. Again, you need to confirm this process, so select yes and again power key. Then you will get a prompt right here, cache wipe complete, and reboot system now should be selected by default. So all you now need to do is press power key once more. And the device will now boot back up into the Android system. And you can see it's back on. So that is how you would wipe cache partition. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.